What started as a routine welfare check at a fast food drive-thru soon turned into a DUI investigation. After finding a driver passed out behind the wheel, officers began asking questions and quickly uncovered a night of drinking that was far from over.
Hooters was at Hooters, but not somewhere else because I'm not even 21 yet.
What'd you have to drink?
I had a little cocktail drinks, just a tiny one.
How many of them did you have?
How
many drinks did you have?
Just 2, and I had my 3rd one. I finished my 3rd one, but technically I was on my 4th one, but I had 3 of them so far. I had all 3 of them, the cocktail mixed drinks.
What kind of drink was it?
The Adios
You had 2 of those?
3 of those.
3 of those?
My 4th one. I was technically just finished my 3rd one.
Okay.
I had my 3rd one like gone, but I had my 3rd one on the little thing for me and my friend, and then I had my 4th one that I was gonna ask.
So you had 4 so far, and then how many did you have after that?
I had 3, but I was gonna get a 4th one.
You didn't finish it?
No, ma'am, I didn't even finish it. I didn't even start it.
And did you drink anything in the vehicle when you got in the vehicle before you left? No?
I just had that one drink, which wasn't fully there, which was gone, basically, so it was like kind of like warm, but cold at the same way.
Besides the drinking, did you do anything else? Any drugs? No?
No, that's just that one drink. That one solid drink.
Okay. Because you were passed out in the car. Why did you fall asleep?
Because I had passed out earlier today. I was didn't wake. Well, I didn't go to sleep this morning. I stayed partying. Behind
Stayed partying?
Yes, ma'am.
Since what time? Do you know what time it is right now?
No, ma'am. Last time I remember it was 10 at night. But I was over here at Hooters. Well, not here at Hooters. I was over here driving.
Do you know where you're at right now?
Whataburger.
Okay.
I had what's it called? I remember I had passed out. Pulling up to the sign. She had took her order. I remember it was like $9.19 or a crispy chicken. Like.
So it's because you did pass out right here in the driver's seat. I'm gonna ask you if you're willing to submit to some field sobriety tests because I need to know if you're able to drive for you to go home.
Yeah.
You're willing to submit to them?
Well, we'll submit to a sobriety test.
Okay. So I'm gonna have you go ahead and stand over here. That way we're not. Over here, ma'am.
Do you have shoes or chanclas?
Yeah, I'm gonna get those because I want to stand in my Hooters bottoms for work. So I don't have anything else.
That Dos Equis, did you drink it?
No.
It's been there for a while?
Yes. After I was leaving the party, it was on the sidewalk, and I didn't want the what's it called, the sidewalk to have it. The party was over there, off of behind what's it called, Hooters. It wasn't after the stoplight. It was right there in this Hooters spot.
I'm gonna have you follow the tip of my pen with your eyes and your eyes only, okay?
Okay. Well, it's because I'm not used to having, except this is my first car I've ever gotten. I've never had a car ever before this. So like the stuff that I have now is like new to me. So like me having my new, like my own car by myself, me having my own place by myself with my roommate, is still new to me. So like, I don't know. Just seeing it from far away, I'm still not used to it. I don't know, it's still weird. But it's different. But I'm still happy for it because I still got it myself. I bought a 2018 Honda Elantra Sport Edition on my own. And it's my first car ever. And I got kicked out of high school. So I didn't finish my first semester my senior year. So, and for me getting that from just...
Alright, so we're going to do the next test, okay?
Right.
You're standing in that straight line, you can see it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to have you go ahead and put your left foot on that line. You're going to put your right foot in front of it, touching heel to toe. With your eyes to your side, you're going to leave them on your side the whole time. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Oh my god, I'm definitely
You're going to leave them, okay, you're going to leave them there. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking 9 heel to toe steps down that straight line. When you reach your 9th step, you're going to leave your lead foot planted. You're going to take a series of small steps back, and you're going to take another 9 heel to toe steps down that line.
Okay.
Whole time you're going to be looking at your feet. Go ahead and leave your hands to your side. You're going to stay in that position until I tell you otherwise, okay? Whole time. Go ahead and stay in that position, how you would. Don't move from there. With your arms to your side. Okay, you may begin.
I misunderstood the first time.
Okay. Okay. So for this next test, I'm gonna have you stand like this with your arms to your side the whole time. You're gonna remain in that position unless I tell you otherwise, okay? You're gonna choose a foot of your choice. I'm gonna be doing my right foot. Go ahead and just stand there straight, don't move. You're gonna choose a foot of your choice. I'm gonna be doing my right foot. You can do your left or your right, whichever you feel more comfortable. Leave your hands to your side, please. Like this.
I'm just putting my first side.
Okay. Just leave them to your side the whole time, okay? I'm gonna do my right foot. You can do whichever, left or right. You're gonna raise it about 6 inches above the ground, parallel to the ground. Whole time it's gonna be parallel. You're gonna keep your hands to your side. The whole time you're gonna be counting 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004 until I tell you to stop, okay? Okay, you may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1006, 1007, 1010, 1011, 1017, 1018.
Lift it up, 6 inches above the ground, parallel. Stop.
Make a decision.
I'm gonna go ahead and rest her.
I'm not sure.
I filled out my HGN. Alright, ma'am, go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Do you have a phone in there that needs to go with you?
I have a phone in there.
You can't take a purse. Do you have a wallet?
I'm gonna put it in there. Well, this is my purse.
Have you go ahead and walk over here towards me.
Hair behind my ear really quick.
You want what?
Can you put it in my hair behind my ear really quick?
This one?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I just never been arrested before, so this is it.
I'm gonna lift your... Okay, you can go ahead and go back in there. Yes, sir, thank you. Alright, listen to me. I'm about to tell you something important. You're under arrest for DWI. The New Mexico Implied Consent Act requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take the additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, a licensed nurse, or laboratory technician or technologist who is employed by a hospital or physician of your own choice to perform an additional chemical test. The cost of this additional test will be paid by the law enforcement agency. Do you agree to take our test? I need you to tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you go ahead and stand up, okay? What are you doing?
Right back behind her because
Is that clear on the front?
Just go ahead and stand right here, face the wall.
don't have to set that, please.
Just go ahead and stand here facing the wall. A little, feel a little bit more. From this way.
Thank you. Just keep me in here. So it's warm and nice.
Go ahead and go in.
After admitting to drinking throughout the night and completing a series of field sobriety tests, the driver was taken into custody and arrested on suspicion of DWI. The incident serves as a reminder that even short drives can have serious consequences when alcohol is involved. As with all cases featured on this channel, the charges discussed are allegations, and all individuals are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law.